Hey, hello, it's Bill, the Knee Pain Guru. Today is Friday, March 7th, 2025. Today we're going to talk about meniscus tears, and I actually got a question that came in from a Captain Coconut 457. His question was, any thoughts on fasting to heal a meniscus tear? And I personally had two meniscus tears. It's going to depend on some factors. I believe the body has the infinite capacity to heal itself. However, if we have to look at the location of the tear, the degree of tear, the direction of the tear, how active you want to be, there's elements that you need to look into in your life that are going to determine whether the body is capable of healing that meniscus tear. With that being said, and there are some other things I look at, and one is the fasting piece is huge. And what we're looking at specifically is reducing the inflammation in the body. The more inflammation the body has, the more it's trying to keep up with the inflammation and not able to heal the meniscus tear. If we could reduce the inflammation by fasting, by reducing our caloric intake, whether it be intermittent fasting, dry or water fast. There's other elements to look at in terms of fasting. But what you want to do is reduce the taxing that the body has to digest food. And that frees up the resources to be able to heal what's going on in the knee. Another piece to look at is alignment of the body. And this one's a tricky one. And this is my thinking around this. If someone breaks a bone, they go to a doctor, and the doctor immobilizes that bone for a period of 6 weeks to 8 weeks, the bone heals. Well, why wouldn't the meniscus be able to heal as well? If we immobilize the leg and let the body heal what's going on as far as the meniscus, why couldn't that meniscus heal? There may be some other thoughts on that. Please put that in the comments below. However, this is my thinking about that. Now, I've been working recently with a company that builds not an immobilizer brace, but a offloader brace, a Guardian knee brace. And what they do is it has the ability to realign the bones in the leg, which in a way gets the pressure off of where the meniscus tear is. And then you start looking at diet and water intake, supplementation, changing the neuromuscular patterns that are going on in the knee, the hip, the ankle, the foot, into the lower back. And now you begin to set up the conditions so the body is able to heal what's going on with the knee. And of course, this is coupled with the fasting piece, reducing the inflammation in the body. I know it's a lot. There's a lot of different factors to consider, but I wanted to throw that out there. I really appreciate the question. If you're watching this, you have other questions, please put those in the comments section below. Would love to see what you're dealing with, how I'd be able to help. So I'm going to wrap it up for today. There's some links at the end here to my website, thekneepainguru.com. And if you need help, you need support, just reach out. Thank you so much. Have a great day.